Okay, Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh, and we are back with another, HIIT training video. So in this week only, the first Tuesday, we have done this various exercises for high intensity with the minimal break duration, and now we'll be doing today with the same exercises for the entire full body workout, but this includes the cardio as well as the body weight exercise. Now in this, the trick is that you need to maintain the speed and you need to carry some weight. Some weight can be your pillows, your water bottles, any of your plant pot or anything. And I request just maintain the speed but keep your posture also tight whenever you are doing the workouts. Okay, Vaheguru. So today we'll be doing squat with the swing and then with the calf raise. Okay. So it will be helping you for your entire leg muscles. Okay. So how do we do squats? We need to go in this position. Take the swing, and when you are taking the swing here, you need to do the calf raise. Okay. Come on your toes. Okay. At this position, when you are bringing the weight here and you are coming on your calf, you need to squeeze your glutes as well, and automatically your entire body weight will shift on your legs and you can concentrate. Okay, to squat, swing and calf raise. So all together I do about 10 to 12 repetition of this, 3 set approximately, and then get on to the next workout. Okay, Vaheguru. So now we'll be doing squatted twist. For squatted twist, we need to come in a sumo position and keeping our lower back static, okay, and the legs static. We'll be moving the weight along with our upper body, okay. So our eyes will be on the weight, okay, and then we'll be making the twist. Now for twist, we can hold a weight, a pillow, or I'm using my favorite plant pot here. Coming in a sumo squat position, arms straight and keeping the eyes on the weight. Because it is high intensity, so we need to make sure we are doing as fast as possible but maintaining our posture as well. Now for squatted twist. After this, because in this workout we are engaging our full body, so legs, arms, back, everything is engaged. Now we'll be doing lunges. So for lunges, Vaheguru, the simple lunges, whatever we do, we'll be doing that along with the front raise. Okay. So this is the position of a lunge. Going down, we'll be pushing the weight, coming back, pushing the weight, coming back, pushing the weight. Okay. Now this is from the one leg. Let me show it with the other leg as well. Front raise, lunge, front raise, lunge. Now to add the difficulty in it, Vaheguru, we can always make a jump lunge. Okay. So let me show you how. Now this is the difficult version which kids can definitely try. Now Vaheguru will be doing some stretching exercises. We'll be doing the pigeon pose. So for the pigeon pose, Vaheguru, you need to go on the ground, bend your one leg, the other leg should be straight. Okay. Now with the other. these two stretchings are very important for today, along with the remaining HIIT workout. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की